Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code is P0218, which means your car's transmission is overheating. Don't panic. We'll go through some common causes and steps to diagnose the problem. But remember, this video is for informational purposes only. If you're not comfortable working on your car, take it to a trusted mechanic. Understanding the code. The transmission is like the car's second heart, and it needs to stay cool to function properly. When it gets too hot, you might experience slipping gears, burning smells, or even complete transmission failure. So, let's dive into what might be causing this. Overheating. Common causes. Low transmission fluid. This is the most common culprit. Check your fluid level with the dipstick when the engine is warm. If it's low, top it off with the recommended fluid, but be sure there aren't any leaks. Faulty temperature sensor. A bad sensor might be misreading the temperature, triggering the code even if everything else is fine. Clogged transmission cooler. The cooler helps dissipate heat from the fluid. If it's blocked with debris, the fluid can't cool down. Internal transmission issues. In severe cases, worn-out clutch plates or other internal problems can cause overheating. Diagnosis steps. 1. Check the fluid level and condition. Grab your owner's manual and locate the dipstick. Wipe it clean, then reinsert it fully and pull it out again to check the level and color. Fresh fluid should be reddish, while burnt fluid might be brown or black. 2. Look for leaks. With the car on level ground, park it on some cardboard and look underneath for any signs of red fluid dripping. Leaks can come from the transmission pin gasket, cooler lines, or even the radiator. 3. Inspect the cooler. Find the transmission cooler, usually located in front of the radiator. Visually check for any damage or debris blocking the fins. Fixing the problem. If it's just low fluid, topping it off might solve the problem. But remember to address the leak if there is one. A faulty sensor can be replaced, but for anything more complex, it's best to consult a mechanic. They can diagnose internal issues and recommend repairs or a transmission rebuild. Prevention tips. Regular maintenance. Don't skip those transmission fluid changes. Follow your owner's manual for service intervals. Avoid towing heavy loads. Exceeding your car's towing capacity puts extra strain on the transmission and can lead to overheating. Monitor engine cooling. If your engine is overheating, it can affect the transmission too. Make sure your cooling system is functioning properly. Thanks for joining me. Remember, a cool transmission is a happy transmission. If you notice any signs of overheating, address the problem quickly to avoid costly repairs down the road. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.